Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade tomato sauce using fresh tomatoes from your garden or from the store and using ingredients that you most likely have in your pantry. Let's get started. For this video, I used what I had at home. I picked all the tomatoes and bell peppers that were ready in the garden that day, and it just wasn't enough tomatoes, so I'm going to end up using a couple cans of tomato sauce just to add, but you still get that yummy roasted flavor. At this point, I've already washed the produce, and depending on the size of your tomatoes and bell peppers, you're going to half or quarter them. And don't forget to de-seed the bell peppers. Add as much or little garlic as you like. Spray with avocado oil, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. You're going to mix it all up and add one more layer of those ingredients. You're going to cook this in a preheated 425-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Blend the roasted veggies. Add 2 cans of tomato sauce. Mix it with the tomato blend that you just made. I simmered this for 30 minutes and then put in mason jars, wide mouth mason jars, to freeze. This is not a canning recipe. It's not safe to can, but it is safe to freeze. Thank you for joining me in this video, and let me know if you'd like to see more. Bye-bye.